Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan X-Trail. In this video I'll show you what is and how to enable ProPILOT function. The blue button on your Nissan X-Trail steering wheel is the ProPILOT Assist activation switch. This system in Nissan Advanced Driver Assistant is technology designed to help with long-distance highway driving and heavy traffic. When you press it, the system prepares to help you with two main things: intelligent cruise control and steering assist. For intelligent cruise control, it helps maintain set speed and safe distance from the vehicle ahead. For steering assist, it provides small steering inputs to help keep your vehicle centered in its lane, provided the lane markings are clear. How to use it? Firstly, press the blue button. You will see ProPILOT icon. Similar blue circle appeared on your cluster. Now, set your speed. This function is available only while you're driving. Now, monitor. The system will turn green on the dashboard when it's actively tracking lanes and the car in front. And some disclaimer. This system is not autopilot. You must keep your hands on the wheel. If the system detects no steering input, it will provide warning and eventually deactivate. It works best on highways with clear lane markings and can be affected by heavy rain, snow, or direct glare from the sun. The button directly below the blue one with the car and horizontal bars allows you to adjust how much following distance you want to maintain from the car in front. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.